Hello everyone and welcome to another Smart Arts What's in the Box. My name is Jake and today we'll be checking out what is in December's Smart Art Box. We got some really cool stuff this month, so let's hop down below and see what we got. Alright, so like always, we are going to open up our box to our Smart Art brochure. Open it up and you will see some history on the materials in this box, as well as a total list of everything you're going to find in here this month. Flip to the next page and you will get the quick start guide where you can kind of get a basic idea on how to use the products. Flip to the next page and you will see your skill challenge guide to give yourself a little extra challenge in using these products. And flip to the back and you will get some pointers on how to use the materials best in this box, as well as your weekly challenge prompts. Alright, so the first thing out of this box is the AMPERSAND scratch board. This 3-pack of clay-coated scratch boards are much like traditional scratch paper, but better. They are coated with a layer of India ink and are more durable and easier to get a clean and even scratch. You can even add some ink on top of the areas you've already scratched off and scratch away again to get even more depth in your work. Alright, so the next thing out of this box is the white graphite transfer paper. These transfer paper sheets are much like traditional graphite transfer paper, but have a bright white hue to them. This paper works great to transfer any images you may need onto almost any surface you're working on. These sheets will be a lot of help this month in making some great work. Alright, next out of here we have the STRATHMORE Recycled Sketchpad 400 series. This paper is ideal for pen and pencil and many other dry mediums. This paper is recycled, but it does keep its extremely high quality properties. With 100 sheets of paper in this drawing pad, you will have all the creative freedom you may need this month. Okay, next thing we are pulling out of here is the FABER-CASTELL Studio Graphite set. These are made from ground up graphite and clay to help provide a very smooth and consistent laydown of materials. With its wide range of pencils in here, you will have all that you need to create any art or drafts you may have. These 6 pencils will be perfect for getting our ideas down on paper this month. Next out of here we have the Royal and Lignical engraving set. This is a set of 4 engraving tools, all featuring different shapes to allow you to create very versatile etchings. These engraving tools are designed to help you scrape and carve away at the top layer of engraving artboards. These tools will ensure that you have some amazing work coming out of these boxes this month. And the last item out of this box is the metallic engraving artboards. This package contains 6 sheets of scratch paper that have a beautiful surprise waiting for you. These sheets are coated in black and once scraped away reveal a beautiful metallic foil layer underneath. These sheets will work great for both drafting and practicing, as well as finished compositions. I can't wait to play around with this stuff this month. Alright everyone, that is everything in this box, except of course our wonderful pieces of candy and sticker. But let's get everything out of the box and start creating some art with our materials. Coming into this piece, I wanted to start off with making an animal, so I decided to make a piece of my dog Stormy. You've probably seen him in some videos before. He is my Jack Russell Papillon mix. I wanted to make an animal because I remember when I used to make a lot of scratch art all the time when I was a kid, I did a lot of dogs and other animals. And it's been years since I have done any scratchboard art, and I thought by doing an animal it would help me get into the swing of things a little bit faster. In this piece, I decided to work in more of a negative sense. Everything that was black on him, I decided to scratch out more and revealing the silver background. And then everything that was white on him, I kept a little bit more sparse on the details. This was a lot of fun to make this piece, and it really brought some nostalgia for me. But I am going to be quiet and let you guys enjoy this, and I will see you all at the end with the final results. Alright everyone, that is everything in December's Smart Art box. These materials were a lot of fun to work with, but now it's your turn to see what you can create using the materials in this box. Now don't forget about the weekly challenge prompts that are on the back of your brochure, as well as the weekly challenge videos where I try to tackle each challenge myself. Complete all 4 of the weekly challenge prompts and post them to social media using the hashtag SmartArtWeekly and SmartArtProject to get your 500 peacock points. And if you haven't yet, make sure you check out these Smart Art bundles. If you don't know what they are a set of boxes that have a very specific set of materials in them. If you want some more information on that, make sure to check out the Smart Art webpage. Also, make sure you subscribe with your notifications on so you don't miss videos like this one. And if you enjoy my work, make sure to check me out over my personal channel over at Naughty Egg Draw. The link's going to be down in the description. But that is all for today, everyone, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye!